Hey everybody, this is Serena. I just thought I would do a quick tutorial on how to add yourself to the CCSF map. So the first thing you'll need to do is, click the map. I've clicked the link here, and then you will need to sign in. You'll need to have a Google account. So if you don't have one, you'll need to create one. I'm going to sign in with mine. Username and password. You can create one for free. They're really quick and easy. Oh, but I got the wrong password. All right, so now I am signed in to my Google account. And so what you'll need to do now is to click Edit right here. And so now what I'm going to do is search the place that I want to add my pin to. So I live in Fresno. So I'm going to search Fresno, California. And you can either click the plus sign over here, or you can click the plus sign over here. Click that. All right. And now, this is very important. You will need to edit your marker, right? So you can choose whatever it is, whatever icon it is that you want. I am going to choose, I think what I did was a cross, which is down. They have all kinds of markers that you can use. Oh, no, I can't find. Oh, there it is. Okay. So now you're going to choose your cross. Okay, I want to make mine purple. All right, mine is done. And also you need to click edit here, and instead of Fresno, I'm going to put my name, Serena. And there we have it, and it's added over here. That's how you add yourself to the CCSF map.